how to rank for a keyword, and use the 2019 on-page SEO checklist. Hello everybody, this is Ralph Martin, and in this video I want to talk about how to rank for a keyword in 2019 and use my new on-page SEO checklist. Right now I'm on my latest blog post on how to rank a keyword or rank for a keyword. And what I'd like to do is go over this new article I just wrote. You can go ahead and click the link below if you want to read the article in detail. But the first step of how to rank for a keyword, of course, is choosing your own keyword. And if you scroll down to that section of my post here, find the right keyword, there are really three items that are important in selecting a keyword. And this is a keyword phrase that we're talking about that you want to rank for on one of the major search engines, mainly Google, Bing, and Yahoo. The number one item is the average monthly search volume. You want to be concerned about website competition and your overall SEO score, which is a rating of how easy it would be to rank for that particular keyword phrase. I use a tool called Jaxi, which is a keyword research tool, and it gives me these metrics, and I wanted to go over what the ideal metrics would be for all three of these items. I typically like to get an average monthly search volume of 100 or above, and a website competition, which means how many other websites are competing for this exact keyword phrase. I like to keep that below 100, ideally below 50 if I can find that particular keyword. And the SEO score is a rating of a percentage from 0 to 100, and I like to keep that above 90%. So what I will do is go into Jaxi and show you exactly what I'm talking about here. You'll notice that the keyword phrase, how to be an affiliate marketer online. This is a good keyword phrase. You have a average monthly search volume of over 100. You have a QSR rating. What this means is how many competing websites are trying to rank for that keyword phrase. And like I said, ideally it would be nice to have that below 50. And then an SEO score of 92, so that's above my metric of 90 or above. So what is QSR, you might be wondering? This right here stands for quoted search results, and this is the number of competing websites ranked in Google for this exact keyword phrase. So once I've selected a keyword phrase that I want to rank for in my article, say that one there, for example. We'll go back to the post. The next thing you want to do is write an article based on that keyword, and you want to write content for that particular keyword on your blog or your website. And what you want to do is provide valuable content. I recommend that you write at least 1,000 words, ideally up to 1,500 words. That's what I mentioned right here. And then follow the 2019 on-page SEO checklist. We'll go over this real quick. You can get the details by reading the post by clicking the link below. So first thing you want to do, we actually already covered, is to find the right keyword phrase. This is extremely important. You want to make sure you have high search volume with low competition. You want to put the keyword phrase in your post title. And I recommend that you put your research keyword phrase exactly how it is in order. And then after your title, after your keyword title, go ahead and follow that by a catchy line of text. Then what you want to do is put the keyword phrase in the meta title. Meta title is different than the regular title. This is something you usually get from your SEO plugins, such as Yoast or All-in-One SEO. There's a spot where you would put your keyword in your post title. this is what actually shows up in the SERPs, or the search engine results page. Then what you want to do is put your keyword phrase in the meta description. Again, this is provided by your SEO plugin, and you want to put your keyword phrase in that description. Ideally, that description should be between 150 and 160 characters. Ideally, about 150, 155. I wanted to mention on your keyword phrase in the meta title, you want to keep that character length about 55 to 60 characters in length. This is what will show up in your search engine results. Then what you want to do is put one internal link within your post. You want to put a link to another blog post or another article that you wrote within this particular post. If you're, for example, you might want to put product A review if you're reviewing a product, product name review, and then go ahead and link that. This is called an anchor text. Then what you want to do is put in an external link within your post to some sort of authority source. I use Wikipedia quite a bit. You can also use things like google.com or youtube.com and link out to an external link. An external link does not include an affiliate link, by the way. We're talking about an external link that is more to an authority source that's not associated with an affiliate link of any sort. Then what you want to do is use alt tags within your images. Go to your image edit feature and then stick your keyword in the alt text section of the image. You want to get comments within your post. You want to make sure your site is mobile friendly, fast loading, and that you're using an HTTPS secured website. And one thing you can do is, like I said, go ahead and click the link below and read this article in detail. And again, this is Ralph Martin from the Affiliate Resource, and you make it an awesome day.